If you're tired of playing small and yearn to rise as a true affiliate marketing beast, then this video is tailor-made for you. Prepare to unlock the closely guarded secrets that will elevate your affiliate game like never before. In this video, we'll show you how to choose profitable niches that will have customers lining up to buy your offers. You'll learn the art of building high-converting landing pages that make it impossible for visitors to resist clicking that Buy Now button. And we won't stop there. We'll also teach you how to drive targeted traffic straight to your offers, so you can watch those commissions roll in. But we're not done yet. We'll dive into the power of email marketing and show you how it can maximize your results. And finally, we'll share strategies for scaling your affiliate business for long-term success. This is Charles from infoSpike. If you really want to dominate the Clickbank game, make sure that you like and subscribe to my infoSpike channel. Let's get ready. It's time to break free from mediocrity and start dominating Clickbank like a true champion. Let's crush those affiliate sales together. Choosing profitable niches. When choosing profitable niches on Clickbank, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research and identify untapped areas with high demand and low competition. Don't underestimate the power of keyword research and competitor analysis. These tools will give you an edge in dominating the platform. Additionally, make sure to select affiliate products that align with your chosen niche market. By identifying consumer pain points, you can offer solutions that will crush your affiliate sales and bring you closer to financial freedom. Building a high-converting landing page. Transform your website's conversion rates with a captivating landing page that drives action. Design elements play a crucial role in capturing visitor attention and guiding them towards your call to action. Optimize your call to action by testing different strategies through A/B testing. Don't forget to make your landing page mobile responsive to reach a wider audience. With conversion rate optimization, you'll dominate Clickbank and crush your affiliate sales, gaining the freedom you desire. Driving targeted traffic to your offers. To dominate Clickbank and crush your affiliate sales, you need to drive highly targeted traffic to your offers. This means utilizing social media advertising, search engine optimization, influencer partnerships, content marketing strategies, and native advertising techniques. With social media ads, you can reach a vast audience and tailor your message for maximum impact. SEO helps your offers rank higher in search results, while influencer partnerships leverage their following for increased visibility. Content marketing and native advertising further amplify your reach. Utilizing email marketing for maximum results. Email marketing is the secret sauce to dominating Clickbank and crushing your affiliate sales. Picture this: personalized campaigns that speak directly to your audience, automation tools that save you time and effort, effective subject lines that grab attention, segmentation strategies that ensure the right message reaches the right people, and A/B testing techniques that guarantee optimal results. With these email marketing tricks up your sleeve, success is just a click away. Scaling your affiliate business for long-term success. Scaling your affiliate business for long-term success involves implementing effective SEO strategies and leveraging social media advertising. By optimizing your website for search engines and utilizing targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can increase your visibility and attract more potential customers. In addition to SEO and social media advertising, exploring influencer partnerships can also help you reach a wider audience. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can give your affiliate business a boost and help you establish credibility and trust with your target audience. Creating engaging video content is another effective way to scale your affiliate business. Videos have the power to captivate viewers and convey your message in a compelling way. By producing high-quality videos that educate, entertain, or inspire, you can attract more viewers and drive more traffic to your affiliate offers. Utilizing data analytics is crucial for optimizing your affiliate business. By analyzing data such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer demographics, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and continuously improve your strategies for maximum results. By mastering these techniques and consistently applying them, you can drive sustainable growth and ensure a thriving future for your affiliate business. With dedication and perseverance, you have the power to dominate Clickbank and achieve remarkable success in the world of affiliate sales. So take control of your destiny, unleash the freedom that comes with a successful online business, and start scaling your affiliate business today. If you enjoyed this content so far, make sure that you like and subscribe to infoSpike. You're now armed with the knowledge to dominating Clickbank and crushing your affiliate sales.